Fire emergencies can spread in just seconds. That's why knowing the basics of fire safety is not optional. It's a responsibility. Wearing full PPE and a reflective vest, every worker must stay alert, prepared, and ready to act safely. The first rule is understanding the fire triangle. Every fire needs three elements: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Remove just one, and the fire cannot survive. This simple principle is the foundation of fire prevention and control. Next, know your fire extinguishers. Each type is made for specific fires. The red water extinguisher works on paper, wood, and cloth. The cream foam extinguisher is for flammable liquids like petrol or paint. The black CO2 extinguisher is critical for electrical fires, where water would be dangerous. And the blue dry powder extinguisher is a multi-purpose tool, useful in many situations. Using the right extinguisher saves lives, but using the wrong one can make the fire worse. When it's time to act, remember pass. Pull the pin. Aim low at the base of the flames. Squeeze the handle. Sweep side to side. For simple steps, but only effective when done with focus and control. Fire safety is also about quick decisions. If the fire is spreading fast, do not waste time. The very first action is to raise the alarm immediately. Warning others is the fastest way to save lives. Once the alarm sounds, evacuation begins. Never use lifts during a fire. Always take the stairs and follow the nearest safe exit. Move with purpose, but do not run. At the assembly point, remain calm, stay with your team, and wait for instructions. Calm actions save lives. Panic puts everyone at risk. And remember this critical rule: no property is worth your life. Do not attempt to fight large or uncontrollable fires. Step back, call for help, and let trained professionals take over. Your safety always comes first. Fire safety is not just individual, it's teamwork. Supervisors, co-workers, and every worker must support one another. Regular fire drills and training sessions prepare you for the unexpected and build confidence to act when it matters most. In the end, fire safety is about being prepared, staying calm, and making safe choices in the moments that count. A few seconds of smart action can prevent tragedy and protect lives. Work safe. Go home safe. Fire safety. Be prepared. Stay safe.